Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to personalize Instagram post story and comment notifications. So watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account. Click your menu account. Click your notification. How you use Instagram. Click notification and click post story and comment. Easy. Your likes notification, for example, uh, Johan liked your photo. If you don't want to receive notifications from likes, click the off option. Easy. For example, from profile I follow and from everyone. From it. Okay. For example, if you don't want to receive notifications from likes and comments and photos of you, click the off option and or from everyone from profile I follow. For example, notification Johan commented on a post you're tagged in. Option photo of you. If you don't want to receive notification from a photo of you, click the off option. From profile I follow, for example, from everyone. For example, first post and story, notes, and add to post summation, added to post, mention request, all from profile follow from everyone. Easy. You can click this option according to your personal option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.